held hostage, basically, for 3 days.
Investigating organized crime is life-threatening work.
Kemudian nih tangan ini putus total.
Those brave enough to do this are revealing an illegal trade worth billions of dollars. It affects the entire world, and yet most people know nothing about it.
For us, it's absolutely crucial that we're on the ground and we get as close as we possibly can to what's going on. But the closer you get, the more dangerous it becomes.
This crime is neither gun running, drug smuggling, nor human trafficking. This is the illegal timber trade.